Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. Alright, so got some news of what's going on. Today we're gonna be taking out the Hellcat ride. But this morning, before I went to work, I got it sold. One of the biggest things to get with the move to move out of here. Now, if you remember in past videos, there used to be a giant Corvette cabinet here. We used to sell those back in the day. 80 by 90 booth at Barrett Jackson. But look at, man, the cabinet's gone. Had a guy, his son, come this morning, pick it up, so it's gone. I was getting kind of worried trying to sell it. I had a couple of sites, and it was so big, and I knew I didn't want to take it with me to with the move. So it's gone, and it can help me more tidy up in here. And sorry, I don't like that messy garage, so like it's kind of like a mess all in here right now. That all came out of the cabinet, so I gotta like tidy all this up to make it know like what stuff I'm keeping, what stuff I'm selling. So that's kind of what's going on right now. Well, not right now, that's what I'm doing later tonight or whatever when I get time. I'm not putting that in the video. I don't want to bore you guys with me organizing stuff. Who wants to see that? I'm gonna give you guys an action-packed day. It's Sunday, it's 55 degrees, and you know what that means. It's time to take the Hellcat out. Just washed her up. She's all nice and clean. Look at that thing. Looks like it's brand new. 5,000 miles on her. Let's get it going, man. Go take the Hellcat out. Do some cruising. Maybe there's some car shows going on. I don't know. Maybe other people with other cars will go hit them up and say, what's up, man? This is Beowulf and the crew on YouTube. Let's get it going. Whatever weather, wherever you're located at, hopefully it's a nice day. So like what's going on with this whole move thing is I need to start packing stuff. I haven't packed yet. I've been getting rid of the stuff I don't need. I still have to go through a lot. So there's a lot to go through, and it's like I've only got, I don't know if it's even 3 weeks. I'd have to check. It's like something like that. I gotta get my butt in gear. I don't even think I think it's under 3 weeks. Cause see, today's yeah, it's under well, it's under yeah, cause it's the 18th. I move into my new house on the 16th of April. So yeah, it's coming up. Gotta get stuff sold. Stupid cars in front of me. They're going under the speed limit. I'm not even going over it, they're going under it. So I'm just, you know, really happy to be in the Hellcat. I've been sick for the last like week and a half or so. Finally I'm not like coughing all the time. I lost my voice. I can tell my voice sounds still a lot different. It's still not back to what I think my voice sounds like. I'm not sure what it sounds like, but I can tell it doesn't sound the same. So, there's some plans. Well, no, rewind. So, okay. I bought the BWoody lowering kit. Just came in the mail a couple days ago. And I got the Mopar springs that should lower. It's like 1.8 inches in the front and 2 inches in the back or something like that. And then I got their whole it's a stage 3 kit that I bought from them. And I thought, you know, like, oh, this shouldn't be a problem getting the stuff installed. And it ended up being like just like crazy how expensive some of these shops want to charge to install this thing. I had one shop in my town want to charge like $1,600 to install the kit, and I was like, no way, you're just ripping me off. Here, we'll go through this roundabout real quick.
Overspeed.
bucks to install this lowering kit, BWoody Stage 3. And I'm not doing that. And I had somebody else I know, this is a buddy's mechanic. He was going to charge 800 bucks. That's not including you got to get the car alignment. And so I think it's overpricing for what the work is to be done. I'm probably just going to do now is install it once I move out to Myrtle Beach is what I think. Oh, yeah, this is awesome road. Awesome road. So I'm probably going to install it once I get there. And either I'm going to pay somebody to install it, or I just might install it myself. Once I get out there and can unpack my tools, buy a toolbox so where stuff is organized, I really think I could install it myself. I've done stuff like that before, so. Oh my god, man. It's a farm cat. Run, kitty cat. Run. Man. Watch out, the big cat's go for you. Hellcat! So, yeah, so I probably, you know, wouldn't it be cool if you guys see me install some stuff? So I'll probably do it once I get out there. Right now, it's just there's just too much going on. And then the thing is the dilemma of like why I want to hesitant to do it is like I think I'm about like almost 27,000 miles in the Jeep SRT, and then I'm doing like a huge road trip that's like 1,000 something miles, and I don't want to have it where there's some warranty issue, you know, because it's just not putting the springs in some other components, and it has like a swipe bar and links, all this stuff. And I don't want to have something break and it be a problem. And the problem is I'm going to be packing, and the biggest thing I'm going to worry is I'm packing a lot of stuff in my Jeep SRT. I'm going to buy one of those roof rack and then one of those long cargo things. I'm going to go look at shopping at some of those tomorrow. So I'm going to be putting that in there, and I'm going to have my 3 dogs in there, and I'm going to try to like literally pack this Jeep up as much as things I need to day to day. I'm going to put in there, and then we're still figuring out what we're doing with Ubers or random moving truck or whatever's going on with that, but there's certain stuff I want to have in the vehicle at all times. So I'm kind of afraid as you start lowering it and they put a bunch of weight, and I'm going to be driving it for like freaking a long haul, almost 2 days of driving for a day and a half. It might be just make more sense to just wait and install once I get out there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm still going to think about doing it. I'm going to call a couple of different people tomorrow and just see what they charge and see if somebody can work out a deal. I personally think with installing a job like that, with the BWoody Stage 3 lowering kit, I think tops with it aligned, I think like 400 bucks. Literally, like I think anything more if somebody's just ripping you off, because they're claiming it's like 2 days worth of work. And I'm telling you, when I had a race team and all that, we pulled an engine out and like all this stuff and did it like freaking like hours. I mean, no way, days of work to do stuff. I mean, if they're just in turtle freaking mode, tortoise mode, you know, it's just like, give me a break. It's being taken advantage of, and you know, it's just overcharging people. Sometimes people have really high rates then too when they don't really want to do the job, so they think the person, if they're gonna pay, is what they think. I know I'm gonna be going back to them, and I won't, because I'm moving to another state, so I don't have to worry about that. I've used that with this one company. We've used this company before. That really was a high rate, my bad. But they installed the exhaust on the Jeep SRT, and they installed the Mickey Thompson track radials on the Hellcat. They're okay, reasonably priced in that. Nothing crazy, but I know that they took a long time to do stuff. I know with the tires installed, it like took almost the whole day for them to install 2 tires in the car, which I was kind of shocked. So maybe they're just really slow. So, anyways, it's such a great feeling to be on this Hellcat. My boy, brother, Gucci Gavin, like ditched me out. I've been stuck around the store trying to get this movie done. You know where he's at right now? He's in the Grand Cayman Islands, and I'm like stuck doing all the work, man. Whatever. Just giving him a hard time. But yeah, he's in the Caymans. he's probably trying to hunt down those women he's gonna find in the Cayman Islands. There's not a lot of girls his age, because the Cayman Islands cost a fair amount of money to get out there. So if he meets any girls, man, best luck to you. And he won't tell me, he's real cloak and dagger about his relationship status and stuff. He goes on dates and stuff. He doesn't want to tell his little brother what he's up to, so I don't know. But make sure you guys check out his channel, The Real Gucci Gavin. Hopefully when he's out on this trip on the Cayman Islands, he puts some videos together for you guys to see what's going on. He's a certified scuba diver, so let's pray that like Jaws doesn't eat him when he's scuba diving. I think last time he was out there, he did like a night dive. I wouldn't be doing any night dive scuba diving, and I love being in the ocean, man. But I personally think Jaws is out to get me. As soon as I step foot back in the ocean, he's gonna eat me. We'll see that happens when I'm about to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We'll go get that jet ski, go out in the ocean. We'll see a Jaws coming up to me. Tons of great white sharks out there, so we'll definitely get some cool clips. You know, I've seen a video on YouTube where these people have found a great white shark. The great white shark turned around and tried taking a bite out of the jet ski. And I hope that doesn't happen to me. That'd be scary. Whoa! Try eating me. And that's the other thing too. So this is the other dilemma and problems, you know. So I'm looking to get a jet ski, and I'm either gonna buy one before I move out down there, or get one once I get down there. And I'm debating of what model I want to go. I know it's a Sea Doo. It has to be the X model. They got this like new one out that has like it's similar to the Skidoo with their snowmobiles, where it has like, I think it's a Line Q or whatever it's called. You can mount a gas jug in the back, and you got the coastal waterway and the ocean and stuff. It's always better to have enough fuel in case you don't get stranded and Jaws eats me, or the coastal waterway. They got alligators and stuff. So it's better to be safe packing enough fuel needed for the trip. So I was debating about that. And the cool thing about that model for the 2018, it has like speakers, so I can be listening to music when I'm on the jet ski. That'd be pretty badass. It's like the boat I used to own I had a Sea Doo Speedster 150 supercharged boat the last year they had them, and that thing had a nice fast boat, and the speakers was nice to see when I rolled back, so that'd be kind of nice. But the only catch, the only thing why I don't want to get it's a 3-person jet ski. I don't really want a 3-person. I'll tell you, I'll put a couple ladies in the back all day long. That'd be cool. But I'll tell you, I just don't want the thing to tip over. I land in the water, and either the ladies or myself get eaten by a shark or an alligator. I don't know about that. I don't want to get eaten. I don't want to get eaten. So man, that's why I'm hesitant. And I've owned before in the past a 3-person wave runner. I'm not really a fan of them. And the biggest thing is, my opinion is, what one's the fastest to get the top speed? Because from what I've been told, the coastal waterway, there's no speed limit. I think the speed limit on the X models, the really fast with the 300s, it's about like almost 66, 67. You can modify it, and you get those things up to like, I think it's like 85 miles per hour. I'll tell you, that is freaking fast on a jet ski. So I plan to put in like the Stage 3 kit on it. So I'm trying to debate on which one's the best one to go with. They're both the same color with the new 2018. The 2017, I think it's a different yellow color. I want to see what the best deal is too, but I want to make sure I'm getting the right machine where I'm happy with. So that's kind of what the dilemma I'm kind of thinking about what I'm doing with that. So summer's almost here, and by the time I come out there in Myrtle Beach, it's gonna be warm, and I want to get that jet ski in the water as soon as I make it to the house. So it'd be cool to bring it with. We're shipping down, or driving down the Hellcat in the next like week or so. I keep having to put it off. Like, I'm like, yeah, next week or two I'm driving it up. I literally have to be bringing it down in the next week or so, because otherwise soon I'm gonna be out of my house. So I gotta be calling about storage units. We're gonna store the Hellcat for like just a couple of weeks. So she's kind of enjoying right now the stomping grounds of Illinois. about too is, you know, got some big plans for the Hellcat, big plans for the Jeep SRT. It's all gonna happen when I hit it in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Nothing beforehand. There's just too much stuff going on. Now, I want to see you guys' comments at the bottom. You guys seen other YouTubers stuff they've done with the Hellcat? I'd like to see where you guys like to see this Hellcat go. I got a vision what I want to do with it. Things that people, I got ideas of doing stuff that other people with Hellcats have never done. I want to see you guys' comments at the bottom what you guys like to see go on with the Hellcat, with the Jeep SRT. Get some other action videos with the Hellcat, Jeep SRT later in the week. Give you guys some updates what's going on with the move. Maybe I'll show you some stuff once that's packed, organized. I got some estate sale I'm doing. I think it's not this weekend, the following weekend. I think it's 3 weeks until I be out of my house. I gotta check it out, but it's not this weekend. This coming weekend. The following weekend I have estate sale, and I got stuff listed already. Furniture, so hopefully I get up cross your fingers, hopefully I got everything sold. Because I'm not planning on bringing in my furniture with. Oh, I got this little black thing. Check the speed. I think I'm not speeding the car in front of me, guys. So you guys comment. Let's get you guys look at that. So comment at the bottom. Make sure you guys smash it like Hulk, smash that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am loving it being in the Hellcat. It's a lot of fun. And I enjoy taking you guys along with these adventures of different things going on. Like I said before, I change up the videos with different things all the time, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. That's about it, what I got to talk about. So I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Take care. Peace